Hello guys, good afternoon. Today we will discuss matrix concept of multiplication of matrix. Actually, we will discuss multiplication of matrix or product of matrix. That is the main theme today. Concept of matrix. If any two matrix A and B. There are two different matrix, but order M cross N and N cross P. There are two different matrix. There is a two different order. But matrix A or matrix B have row and column. The first matrix A column N, matrix B row N. If any matrix we have to multiply, so we have row first and right and column second row and column. So we need to product of the matrix find out. Then first we consider if A column of A equal to row of B, means N is equal to N. If two matrix, when product is A B, means first row column and second as row should be equal. That is the condition of multiplication of two matrix. We can say that A M cross N, B N cross P. So the product of these matrix is AB like N cross P. That is the first row, last column. First matrix of A row and matrix B of column. That is the product of matrix. That is we can simply write in form C M cross P. This is the basic funda of matrix, multiplication of matrix. Now let's say A matrix of element A11, A12, A21, A22 and B matrix is, let's say, B11, B12, B12, 21, B22. We have to find the value of A, B, means A, B. And the order is 2, 2 cross 2. The first one column has 2, second one column row is 2. So we can find the value. We can able to find the value A11. First row, first column. First one row, second of column. So B11, then plus A12, B22. Similarly, A11 this type. So A11, B12 plus A12, B12. Similarly, second row and first column and second column, or we write in the form of the value of element in form of considerably row wise. So A21, B11 plus A22, B22. Similar, A21 B12 plus A22 B22. We can write in AB equal to simply A11 B11 plus A12 B22, A11 B12 plus A12 B12, A21 B11 plus A22 B22, A21 B12 plus A22 B22. That is also 2 cross 2 matrix. The order is same, the 2 cross 2. We can say 2 cross 2. Next, properties of matrix, multiplication of matrix, product of matrices. If A, B, C, there are 3 different matrix of order Mn, Np and Pq. There is the first one is the column, second one is the B is the row, are same. So P is the second one is the column, third one is the row, are equal. So we can find the product or multiplication of these matrix. So the associative law can be applicable in 3 different matrix. A bracket B C equal to A B bracket C, that is equal to. Similarly, we can apply the second one, distributive law. A B C are the A M cross N, B N cross P and C P cross Q are the 3 different matrix of order are different, 3 different. So we can apply the distributive law of these 3 matrices, the AB and AC. So AB can we multiply AB plus AC, multiply AB plus AC. That is the distributive law for the matrix multiplication. So third one is the existence of multiplication of identity matrix. Identity matrix is the unit matrix. The value of I, that is I, symbolic form of identity matrix. In means n cross n should be it should be square matrix. The A1, A is the matrix of m cross n, or I is the matrix of I, n cross n. The value of first one column, second one row are same. So we can multiply simply I n dot A m cross n equal to A I, means we can write simply A m cross n. The order will be same. There is no change in any order of multiplication of identity matrix with any matrix. So this is the property of multiplication of the matrix. That is the next we will discuss. Positive integral power of a square matrix. That are basic properties of the power of any matrix. We have the A power has 1, means A once multiplied by 1, A itself. So A is the A power 1 equal to A power 2 means A multiplied by A itself, that is the value of A square. Similarly, An power equal to A dot An minus 1. We know the value of M cross An, that is the M plus N. That is the similar value can put here. So we got the same value. So a power n plus 1 equal to a dot an. That is the n is a natural number. N is the natural number. N means 1, 2, 3, infinite. Up to n we can say. That is the natural. N is the natural number. Natural number. N belongs to the natural number. Similarly, an dot am. We can multiply a power m dot a power n. That is the value not applicable in this. There is the matrix. There is a matrix. The different matrix. So we can not applicable this equation or formula there here. Next, a plus b whole square, a square plus ab plus ba plus ab means we put the value of a plus b into a plus b. That is similarly a dot a plus a b plus now b a plus b dot b. That is the a square we know earlier. ab plus ba plus bb. Similarly, if in case ab equal to ba, then we can put the value similarly a square plus 2ab plus b square. In general AB not equal to BA. In general, AB not equal to BA. So now A minus B whole square, A square minus AB plus BA plus B square. That is the similar value as like a plus b whole square, and we can put value of ab in case ba. So the value is similarly 0, a square minus plus b square. So we can see the directly equation form. We have written in the first like same the a square, a dot a minus a b plus b a the plus b b. Similarly, a square plus ab minus ab plus ba plus bb whole square. Similar, in case AB BA equal, then the value is A square plus B square simply. So we have next topic. The question is one: if A is given and B is given, find the value of A, B. There is the two different matrix A and B. The order are also different. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. There is the 3, 3. Now we can see here the column of first and row of second are equal. So we can able to we can multiply a b. We can find the value of a b. That is the value of 2, 3. 2, 3 order matrix. We have 2, 3, 2, 3, 2 cross 3 order. So now proceed the value according to the basic concept of multiplication of two matrix. 2 cross 3, 3 cross 3. No. AB, put the value 2 minus 1, 4, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2 minus 3, 3, 1, 2, 4, 0, 3. Value first row, the first column, second column, third column. As the similar way, we write the value of the element row wise. 2, 2, 2, 2 into 1, 2 plus minus 1, minus 1, 2 plus 4 minus 3. Similarly, the value of 2, 3, we can find the value exactly one shot as we minus plus and multiplication. So we can write directly 2 minus 2 minus 12 6 minus 1 8 plus 8. Similar 8 0 plus 12. Similarly 2 plus 6 plus minus 3, value 6 plus 3 plus 2, 8 plus 3 0 0 plus 1 3 3. This is the multiple by a row wise and column wise, row and column wise. Value 2 cross 3, the 3 cross 3. We find the value. We have got the value of matrix as we can see here 2 cross 3. We got the value. We got the order of this matrix as we see. We can put the value of final value. Let's say minus 12, 13, 20, that is the 5, 11. That is the final product of the A and B. That is the order is 2 cross 3. There is the 2 row 1 R1, row 1 R2, row 2. There is the C1, C2, C3. There are 3 column. So we can find simply order wise. Order is 2 cross 3. 2 cross 3. So we can know the value of order of product of two matrix directly as the basic concept of any matrix A. 2 cross 3 into B, 3 cross 3. We had the value, they are same. So AB equal to 2 cross 3. The value is the order is 2 cross 3. Directly we can know. So the next question. There is the next question, solve for x and y. There is the multiplication of the matrix. There is the 2 matrix, 2 cross 2. There is a 2 cross 1. There is the 2 cross 1. What is the matrix value of first one and second one after multiplication? After multiplication, there is the column and row are same. So there are 2 1. Order is the 2 1 as the same of the right one. matrix. So we can find now solve. Let's say directly we can solve. Put the value according to concept of multiplication. 3x minus 4y. Similarly, x plus 2y. That is the matrix equal to 3 element. Now we know the concept of equality of two matrix. There is the one matrix, there is the another one matrix. They are the similar, so the element of these matrix should be equal. Should be value of element should be equal. 3x minus 4y equal to 3. X plus 2y equal to 11. So we can find the value of x and y as the given equation. According to the given equation, simply we can find value of, we can multiply by 2 in the and now 2x plus 4y plus equal to 22. Now we can add the value of first and this one. Value, add 5x equal to 25. The value of x equal to 5. Now we can put the value of x in anyone 1 and 2, any one of these two equations. So we can simply find the value of x equal to 5 through second equation. Through second equation is 2y equal to 1, 11. The value of 5, put the value of 5 by 1, 11, 2y equal to 6, the y equal to 3. So we have got the value of x and y according to the multiplication of the matrix and the equality of matrix. There is the two concepts utilized in there. So we have find the value of x equal to 5 and y equal to 3. We got the answer according to the value of matrix multiplication and concept of equality. So now we will discuss last one. The question is 3. If a equal to minus ab, b square, a square minus ab. So what? So that a square equal to O means null matrix. There is the value of, there is given null matrix n cross n, I think we can say. So A is given minus A. Let's say value already given. So find the value of a square. A square means a dot a means equal to the value of minus ab, b square minus a square minus ab. Similar, minus ab, b square minus a square minus ab. There is the two different two matrix that is the identical. A dot a means a square. We got the value according to the basic concept of multiplication or product of matrix. So we have got the value. Now we can find the value row or column matrix 2 cross 2, the 2 cross 2. The final value would be 2 cross 2. Now what we do? Minus ab plus a square b square. Now second, b square minus plus minus a square b square. Value second, a minus a b cube. That is the a b cube. that is the value, oh sorry, now the row, that is column, put the value row, that is column, that is the column. So minus a b minus a b q. So the value of minus a b q minus plus. So second one, similarly minus plus aq b, that is the value of minus plus a square aq b. Similarly a square minus b square, the value of similarly a square minus b square plus value of, we can find the value of 0, we can the value of 0 is there is 0, is there is the value of 0, we got the value of AB is equal to 0 matrix 2 cross 2, means null matrix. There is the basic concept of multiplication of matrix. We got the value of multiplication of matrix through the concept. Similarly, so we will discuss next this topic or the more question to clear the concept. So thank you guys, subscribe the video, subscribe the video.